How to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can enable two-factor authentication on Discord. For this, you want to open the Discord app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. If you don't have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now, on your settings, you want to tap on Account, then scroll down and find the Enable Authenticator app. Now, you will have to enter your password over here. After you've entered your password, tap on the OK option. Here it says you will have to download an Authenticator app. So exit Discord, then open up Play Store or App Store. Now search for Google Authenticator, or you can also download any other Authenticator app. Now tap on the install button and have this application installed on your device. Once that is done, head back over to Discord, then tap on next. Now here it says enter the 2FA code. Now the instructions are open your authentication app and enter the code below. For this, you want to tap on the copy option, then tap on next. Now as you can see, the code has been copied. What you want to do next is open the Google Authenticator app. From there, you want to select Add Encryption Key. Then you will have to enter your code name, key, and select your type. Then tap on the Add option. Now you want to tap on the new code that you have just created. Then this code is going to be copied. Once it has been copied, you want to paste it over here on the Discord app. And then as you can see, the two-factor authentication is successfully activated. Now tap on the Done option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.